Hey, Tuesday, April 7th, 6:37 p.m. The crow is just above. And then today, I saw a brighter or a darker orange. Now, I don't think it's this one here, because I thought, oh, gee, maybe because it's getting, gonna have eggs. Oh, hi. That was a dove. Dove, the crow, the future mom, the nest. The nest was removed from a few feet over because it was across from my room. And the first day we came here, it tweeted and we answered. And it came to our door and it tapped on the window. Well, it's a window door, sliding glass door. And then it pooped. And then it came out and built more nest. Now see, oh, there we go. Look at the tip top, and then here. Oh, two more. What? Now those are, I don't know. Oh yeah. Now that's a different type. I don't know. Off to the right there. It's hard to hold this still with free hand. It's just a phone, Yeah. Oh, wow. Well, really? So you like the neighborhood, huh? Yeah, not bad. Not bad. Cool. 2, 3, 4 more just came by. 2 up in the tree there. Oh, there we go. There's the other yellow. What do we got here? What do we got? Thank you, guys. Thank you, God. Oh my gosh. My boring life. And they follow me to the beach if I go for a walk. The people here think there's my protector or something. This is so, I don't know. Such a strange thing. Yeah. Oh yeah. No. Oh yeah. Yeah, it's just one of those days. And he's down there. And then up here. The watcher way above. Yeah, there you go. That's you. Thank you. And then the other one is Buddy. Off to the right. Come on. No? Okay. How about you? Alright, thanks. That'll work here. As bad as the plants moving last exciting episode last year. It was just coincidence, I'm sure, but that's another video another day. I don't know. My boring life. Yeah. Too much hatred in the world. Too much crazy shit. That's how it goes. Yeah. Really? Oh my gosh. Oh? Oh, there it is, hidden up there. Tweety. Alright. Amazing. Amazing. There you go. 7th day. Yep. Tuesday of April 2020. Carpe diem. They are so amazing. The ocean. Yeah. The sunrise has moved from here way over to here right now, the last since we've been here. And the birds are still building a nest and talking. Yes. One there, one above it. The doves over here. Crows. Down here somewhere. I don't know. Anyway. Yeah, this used to be all people. Well, still not too bad without, I mean. But just not massive amounts like it was, you know. Historical. We are history. Of course, I'm a human history machine. Yeah. Alright. That's my bud. I don't know what tomorrow will bring. I just don't know. What kind of trapped or stranded or whatever, but hey, carpe diem, you know. The birds are here and everything else. Still a few people. Mostly the birds. Zoop. Alright, bye Tweet. Watch out. Oh, last night was the first night she spent the night in the nest. I thought it was her in the morning when she tweeted, and then the bird flew from there down, and they changed places. You realize right next to her, to the left there's another bird. Actually, there's a lot of them real close by. Alright, bye.